Hello there, boys and girls. Welcome to Chapter 20 of Charlotte's Web, and here we are going to go over the new vocabulary. So, the things that you'll need for today's video are, of course, your pen or pencil to write with, your Charlotte's Web packet, and your Charlotte's Web book. Pause the video if you need to gather your materials. All right, boys and girls, welcome back. So, Chapter 20, we are nearing the end. I've colored my little spider life cycle. In chapter 20, we have a page of questions and then a page of drawings. So let's take a look. Where was Wilbur unloaded in question number 1? Was it A, in a new pig pen, B, in a special judging ring in front of the grandstand, C, back to Zuckerman's farm? Number 2, what made Mrs. Zuckerman nervous? Was it A, the fact that Wilbur may not win a prize, B, the large crowd of people watching them, C, the high stage they were on? 3, how did the crowd react to Wilbur? And here we write down what happened, okay? And how they reacted, meaning when they saw Wilbur, what did they do? So how did they react? Number 4, the man over the loudspeaker said that the words on the web were written by supernatural forces. And then we have to explain what we think this means. What were the prizes that Wilbur and Zuckerman were awarded? For number 5. And number 6, we fill in the blanks. Wilbur blank on the grandstand because blank. Templeton helped out by blank Wilbur's tail to wake him up. Wilbur was soon back on his feet. And then on the back of chapter 20 is what you're going to do for your must-do. The drawings. So draw out how much money he won. Here, draw out the amount of money. And then design Wilbur's medal. And here you can be very creative. I'd love to see your creative coloring right here for Wilbur's medal. So those are the questions for chapter 20. Let's take a look at some of the new vocabulary and words to know. So the first one is the word triumph. And I believe that's the title of this chapter. It's called Triumph, and triumph just means success. So we will be triumphant, boys and girls, when we reach the end of 3rd grade. There will be great success to be celebrated. And then our next one, phenomenon. I like saying that word, phenomenon. And phenomenon just means like a miracle or something that cannot be explained is phenomenon. Okay. Now, let's take a look at some words to know. Our first one that we're going to talk about is bronze. Now, bronze is a type of a metal, like steel or like aluminum. That's a metal, but it also can be like these types of metals. So the bronze would be this kind of copper-looking color. It's kind of like the color of a penny. All right, so that would be bronze. And usually what bronze means, if you were to win a medal, it would be 3rd place. 3rd place, okay? And then they'll talk about trousers. Now, trousers is just an old-fashioned way of saying pants. Those are trousers. So those are the words to know, not many, but those are the 2 words that I'd like you to know before we begin chapter 20. Okay, boys and girls, let's meet back here again for part 2 of Charlotte's Web, where I will read chapter 20 and answer the questions. I will see you in a bit.